Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. To effectively manage, monitor, and control the evidence on your respective portal, it is necessary to have the right to define its accessibility as per your requirements. Applying security policies on a portal allows you to define governance controls that determine who can access your portal and view evidence published in the evidence library. VIDIZMO DEM allows administrator and manager roles to set customized security policy to meet specific security requirements, so you can control who can access your portal and view the uploaded evidence. In this video, we will be looking at setting custom security policy for your portal. From the portal's main navigation menu, select Control Panel in the Admin tab, and open the Security Policy settings. You can choose one of the preset security policy configurations or select the Custom tab to customize your portal's publishing and viewing rights as per your needs. Viewing access settings give you the flexibility to customize viewing ability for evidence uploaded on your portal. You can grant viewing access to all portal users, or you can select the anonymous users option if you want uploaded evidence to be accessed by anyone, both registered and unregistered users. You can choose each evidence file's accessibility rights separately according to the nature of its confidentiality, when it's being published by selecting the Decide When Publishing option. You can also choose if viewers can share evidence published on your portal to external websites and platforms. From portal access type settings, you can control who can access the portal. You can allow unauthenticated users to join the portal and access publicly available evidence. You can hide the portal from listing. This option ensures that the portal is only accessible with the portal URL and stays hidden from featured list, main menu, and all portal page. You can also allow managers and administrators to add users or groups to the portal manually with their email addresses. You can control if portal users can send join requests to others. If join requests are enabled, you can choose if all requests will be auto-approved or if they have to be approved by administrators or managers manually. You can also select which users can participate by commenting and downloading evidence. Once you're done customizing the security policy, click on Update to apply those settings throughout the portal. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.